Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make Tumblr GIF. So first you have to launch Tumblr and log into your account. And then here what you're going to do next is you have to simply tap on this pencil icon right here. And then you can add a caption before you can go and tap on add GIF. So this is what it looks like. For example, watch. And then the next thing to do here is you have to click this one right here where you can create a GIF. You can add a GIF from the library, but for me, I want to create a GIF from one of my videos on my gallery. So here you have to simply allow Tumblr to have access to your gallery. And then all you have to do is look or select that specific video that you want to convert into GIF. So for example, this one right here, and then you can now edit this one. You can change the duration, you can add effect, and then so on. So you can just play with the tools here inside Tumblr. So once done, then all you have to do is tap on the check button right here. And then you should see that once it's posted, the video is now converted into a GIF. So basically, that's how easy it is to make a Tumblr GIF. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.